just going to show you the pretty part of the unboxing, honey, because it's going to get real ugly before it gets pretty again. So I'm going to show you the real. And this knee deep in Christmas decor is the real. Okay? So here it is. I am trying quite desperately to find some Santa figurines that I like to use during the holidays, and I am going through everything. Now these items here I think were mostly from my Christmas in July setup that I just shoved in this box. And I do have other seasonal decor mixed in as well. Like here, 4th of July, when I'm looking for banners and stuff like that, I can't find them because they're in a Christmas box. Okay, and this tiered tray, I also use during Christmas. It's my brush tree, which I'd like to use in a living room. And these are my lighted gift boxes, which I also like to use. Alright, so I'm just going to pull these out, because I am going to use these. And I think you saw those, Christmas in July. I am going to use. My living room is purple, silver, and white. But my family room is red and white. So those are my two decorating colors this season. Is just trying desperately to get organized. Either I'm missing a box or something real crazy is going on. But I'm going to get back to you on that. Okay, let me show you what it looks like. I've got Christmas decor here. I've got all my Christmas DIYs right here. I also have the decor that I took down off of my shelves here. Here I did find all of my little Christmas figurines, which I'm going to put on my shelves. And this one is completely empty, so I will be doing that. Christmas pillows, Christmas blankets, Christmas sleigh. Over here, I have a lot of the items that I'm going to be using for my tier trays. Those are not done. And over here, I have all of my Santa figurines, which a girlfriend of mine, a very dear girlfriend, Tracy Jones of Tracy Jones Designs, and I will leave a link to her Etsy shop, helped me with this project over the summer. I cut all of the Christmas outfits off of my Santa and Mrs. Claus figurines, and Tracy made all new outfits, which I have not even fitted yet. So I'm gonna work on that as another DIY. And yeah, everything is in a mess right now. So I'll give you an update as things get a little more organized. So I woke up this morning thinking I was gonna work on some pretty tablescapes and other things for the Christmas season. And then I stepped into my garage and realized, yeah, before I do that, I'm gonna have to get this place together, because we will be having company starting this weekend. And as you can see, it's a total disaster, and there's no way that I can open this game room right now. So let's work on this before we start making pretty around here. Okay, so I'm gonna sit this camera on a tripod, and I'm gonna let you see me do my thing. had not unboxed. Oh, look at these. These are super cute. No, I have a shopping problem, and a lot of you probably have that same issue. Alright. And this one is mine. Big Christmas tree for the living room. Not ready for that yet. Garbage and goodwill. Okay, so I'm going to give this area a good sweep and mop. At the very least, the floors are now picked up. So let's finish getting this area cleaned up. So let me mention that this closed collab, the 12 Days of Christmas Countdown, hosted by the Queens of Christmas Decor Club, of which I am one of the co-hosts, also comes with a challenge. Lady Allie set a challenge for each of us that we could do a health challenge, 12 Days of Kindness. I chose to do a health challenge. Now, I'm not sure if I mentioned that my wife and I had gone on 2 vacations back to back. One that was canceled during the pandemic. We went to Cancun, and we had 1 year to use that travel voucher. Behind that, we already had a road trip planned, and we did the Music Triangle, Nashville, Memphis, and then New Orleans. Oh my God, what fun! And we ate. We ate, honey, we ate some good food. Honey, we ate some good food. And the result is that we both gained nearly 10 pounds on the 2 vacations. And we have been working really hard to change our eating habits and keep the weight down. Well, my challenge was to lose 5 pounds. And I'm happy to say, honey, your girl lost settled my challenge obligation. And I did very well. I'm very proud of myself. And yeah, so that health challenge actually helped me to keep on task and motivated to lose the additional pounds that I had put on. Yes, honey, that was a job. But here is the game room, cleaned and ready to receive guests. I brought down a divider from my guest room to help camouflage this Christmas area till I get everything unpacked. Now, it doesn't quite cover everything, but I think it's doing the job. Please make sure you stop by all of my beautiful co-host channels and show them some love. In my description box, you will find the link to the playlist and to all of my beautiful sisters' YouTube channels. I want to thank you so much for watching the 12 Days of Christmas Countdown Close Collab. And until next time,